So what's going on, community? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing, fabulous, tremendous and enormous type of the video. So guys, in today's videos I am exploring zero Fiat. So guys, have you ever thought about spending your stable coins in real life and buying products online without KYC and even getting discounts? So yeah, that sounds crazy now, but if I told you that you can literally use your crypto to shop on real website around the world, that's crazy, guys. And here is the something interesting part. Even your non-crypto friends can use the buy products on the discount. If someone is already into the online shopping, this might be actually one of the smartest way to shop online, save your money, guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you something that might actually change how to use crypto. So first of all, guys, here is zero Fiat, and this is one of more interesting tools I have ever seen in crypto space recently. With zero Fiat, you can spend your stable coins like just like normal money and shop from 130 plus online stores across the globe. So instead of holding crypto trading, you can actually use it in the real life. So, and another exciting thing, very soon the zero Fiat mobile application will be available launching, which will make spending crypto even easier directly from your phone. Let me show you how it works, guys. So first of all, guys, here you can also check out, here is our website of this platform. You can check it out, guys, which is also in front of you. Here is, guys, zero Fiat spend crypto on multiple websites like spending across the brands, pay with your crypto wallet with zero Fiat browser extension. You can also download their browser extension. Here is sign up option where you can also watch out the demo video about their platform, and you'll get with the crypto payments. You can also pay with the USD or USDC, and you can get up to 14% discount, multi-wallet support with the zero fees. Here you can also get the extension. I have already downloaded the extension. It is seamless payment with the crypto. You can also select out everything. So let me show you how you can buy. First of all, you need to click over there on the supported store, guys, which is also in front of you there. You need to come over there and click over there. So first of all, guys, here is zero Fiat support 155 stores across all countries, guys. You can also check out, you can also select out your category, which are you are time like including and which you are checking, and you can also check out there are a lot of these stores. So first of all, you need to select out, just that I'm going to select out H&M USA, which is also in front of you. Then you need to select out the product which you are going to buy from this platform, which is super easy way. Like you can also get out, and here's our zero Fiat, and you can also check out. First you need to check out select out the product you want to buy, like that. Here's our product here. You need to click on the product. You need to just like you need to select out the product which you want to buy, and like that. And here's the shares, like a lot of things are available there on this platform. And then you need to check it out, pay with the crypto. You can also check it out, and you can also check add to the back here, like that. And you can also check out I already have some type of the platforms I already have shown you. Then you need to click on the checkout. When you click on the checkout, guys, you need to continue the checkout. And here's the other thing. So guys, here you can also check out, guys. First of all, here's the checkout option, guys. You can also click with the pay with the crypto, like that. Here's the pay with the crypto. You need to click over there, and then you need to choose the method, and you can also check the card amount and select your preferred cryptocurrency and network. First you need to click on the continue, and after that you need to click on the connect wallet, like that. I already have a lot of wallets. I already have my MetaMask wallet, which I am going to connect with this platform here. You can also check it out. So guys, we will kind of click like that, connect our MetaMask with them. Make sure that you have a sufficient funds in your account to buy the products on the online with the zero Fiat. And you can also check out, you need to click over there on the connect option. When you click over there connect, and you can check it out, guys. I have successfully connected my wallet with them. And you need to click on the details. You need to click on the confirm option, and make sure that you have a sufficient balance in your account to buy with the zero Fiat. So all over things are in front of you, and you can also refer your friends to earn more discount from this platform. and you can also check it out. Everything's there in front of you. You can also get an extension. And guys, after that, another interesting feature is the refer program. So guys, you can share your referral link with your audience, and whenever someone signs up your link and start using the platform, you can earn referral rewards. So not only you can spend the crypto, you can also earn reward by introducing to others the platform. If your friends love online shopping, you can be great way for them to get discount while you earn rewards from this platform. So guys, you need to follow them also on the Twitter. Here you can also check it out. You need to follow them on the Twitter. Also make sure that they regularly post updates like new website added, exclusive discounts here, and new store integrations too on their platform. So if you want to stay updated where you can spend crypto next, the best place to follow, guys. Here you need to follow them at their Twitter account, and you can also don't miss them, and you need to follow them. And you can also check out, here's how you can do that. They're also giving a lot of things on this platform there. And after that, guys, Fiat cashback campaign is also live. Sign up using my link. Make sure your first purchase get 10% cashback instantly. Just follow Fiat on the X and DM them your order ID to receive the cashback in the same wallet you use for the transaction. So guys, honestly, tools like make crypto actually useful in the everyday life, and the Fiat mobile app launching soon is going to be become even easier to shop using crypto. If you want to try it out, I will leave the link in the description, so go try it by yourself and see how it works. And if you would try it, let me know in the comments here. So we will meet in the next video.